After Itefa, things went wrong. It's been hard. I can't even move. I can't even do anything. I went from 100 to 0. Even before Itefa, I was living very well. I was okay. It was very nice. I can even afford 3 square meters, even 10 square meters if I want to eat. But after Itefa, everything changed. Seems Ifa is fake. Seems I did it wrong. Seems the person did it wrong. Seems or whatever seems that it might be. Come, let me enlighten you. After Itefa, you did the best. Yeah, I'm not saying every Babalawo knows how to do it, and I'm not saying me either. Maybe I'm perfect or not. But what I know is after Itefa, things are bound to happen in a different ways, depending on what is the initial message that Ifa is talking about during your Igbodu. If Ifa see Ire Aiku, there's probability that your Ifa will, every Ifa after Itefa used to go to war, to win some battles. During this period, things are not going to be okay. And some might be fair. But if you record the messages of your Ifa during your Itefa, and if you ask questions about your Itefa, then you will understand that during that process of Itefa, whatever it is you are facing currently has been explained to you, or they already talk about it, that in one verse, Adifa from Kinikon, when something was happening to do something, he went to do something. Yeah, they might have told you about that. But because we only hear the message, we don't go through the deeper part of the message. You have to, okay, this also thing happened to this other person, this Ifa. How was he able to navigate his way out of this thing? What are the things he do? Yeah, you can see it online. They write 25 rosters. You don't have to spend that much, but there are ways that you just have to talk to your Babalawo, and that's where Akushi comes in. In Ifa, when your Ifa is busy trying to win for you, you to try to cleanse yourself, avoid taboos, do the necessary things. Do not think you are wise. You don't want to spend money. Yeah, after Itefa, the money continue, because it takes money to keep money. That's what people won't tell you. That's it.